Are you dreaming of a job where you can really help people and have a secure future? What if we told you nurse practitioners' jobs are booming? Healthcare is growing super fast, and guess who's leading? Nurse practitioners, or NPs for short. They're like healthcare superheroes, managing chronic illnesses, performing checkups, and providing family planning counseling. Nurse practitioners are needed more than ever. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor projections, their role will grow rapidly, with a projected 44.5% job growth from 2022 to 2032. And talking about money, NPs make over $100,000 a year on average in the U.S. Some even earn more, especially in special areas like mental health or emergency care. Plus, in areas where there are shortages of NPs, there are cool extras like bonus money and special programs. But becoming an NP isn't just about the perks, it's about making a real difference. To start this fantastic journey, you'll need a master's degree in nursing, a national certificate, and a state license. Not all health careers can boast about high growth rate projections like NPs. We've identified 6 healthcare positions with the most potential presently and for the future. Curious about what the other healthcare jobs are that are growing fast? Check out this next video. If you or someone you know is considering a healthcare career, please share this video with them. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more awesome tips and info.